Hi everyone, всем привет! Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make white bread sukhariki, and these will be with garlic and olive oil. They're so yummy, and in English they're probably called like croutons. I literally love these because they remind me of my granny who used to make them with leftover bread. So you can use any type of bread that you have. Actually, if it's old, it's absolutely fine because they will be nice and crunchy, and they go really perfectly as an addition to soups, salads, or if you just want to munch them on its own like I did when I was little. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out all the other crouton recipes that I made. And now let's get started. We're gonna start off by slicing our white bread. So using a sharp knife, you just want to cut nice sort of sticks and then collect the bread and cut into nice squares. And you can use fresh bread as well as the stale bread, or maybe a bit old bread that you just don't want to throw away but you want to make some croutons with it. It's perfect. I'm using completely fresh bread here. As some of you know, I have launched my online cooking school where you can learn how to make the most amazing cakes ever. I've got level 1, 2 and 3 for beginners to advanced, and you'll be able to learn the beautiful mousse cakes. You can also do this as a gift for somebody who loves cooking and baking. I think it's an awesome present. And of course, if you wanted to learn yourself. Each course has over 20 to 40 video lessons in there where I teach you all the skills, different cakes and unique designs. We also have a Facebook community group for all the bakers that join my course, and you will have my unlimited support throughout the teaching and learning. I really hope to see you in my online cooking school, and if you have any more questions, then leave the comments down below. Here I've got some thyme. And I'm going to use a plastic bag to coat the croutons. I find that's the easiest way. So add all your breadcrumbs into a plastic bag. This way you don't get your hands messy, your kitchen is not messy, and it's just such an easy method. And then over here you want to just move the bag around so you can put the spices inside. So add your thyme, your garlic, and we're also going to add oil. I'm using olive oil, but you can use any other oil. So now I'm just going to shake this until all of them are mixed through and incorporated. So you might need to shake for a couple of minutes. You really want to make sure that most of them are coated evenly. Of course, some will have more flavor than others, but it doesn't matter as most of them will taste absolutely delicious. So then you might want to add more spices if you wish, and salt. It's completely up to you, but garlic and thyme work really well. Look at that. So then you want to place them onto a baking tray lined with some parchment paper, and we're going to cook these until they're done. So all the measurements and directions will be left on my website where you can check at what temperature I'm going to be cooking these. So you want to spread them out a bit more onto your tray so then they can cook evenly. Now for the second method, I'm going to add a lot of olive oil, and I'm going to add salt, and I'm also going to add lots of garlic. So these will be very garlicky. So these are my favorite ones because I love garlic, and they just go so well with salads and soups, and I just love garlic croutons. So do the same thing. We're gonna shake it up, shake it all over to make sure we've got the garlic flavor everywhere and the oil has incorporated into most of our bread. And this process doesn't take long. This is such an easy dish, and it's quite impressive, especially if you want people coming over to your dinner, or if you've got friends over, you can just make this ahead of time. And it's something super easy and crunchy to munch on, and delicious. And homemade is always the best. So we're going to repeat the same process with these ones. We're going to line them on a tray, and we're just going to bake these until they're brown and golden and done. And trust me, you're going to smell it in your kitchen. It's going to smell so amazing. So here they are, guys. Look at these beautiful croutons. Just put them onto your plate and voila, it's done. So these are the garlic ones and they smell amazing. And here we have my thyme ones. Look at them, and you can see that the dried thyme has stuck to our bread, which is amazing. And they're super cute, very crunchy outside and super soft inside with a lot of flavor. So I really hope you enjoy these, guys, and check out loads of my other videos. Thanks for watching.